Hi everyone, today I'll walk you through how to build a sticky card reveal on scroll in Framer. You will find the free remix link below. Feel free to tweak it however you like. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, go to layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack, then press F1 keyboard to add a frame. Draw a frame like this, width, fill, height, leave it like this. We will change it later. Click this layer to make it stack, right click on it, create component and name it cards, change the name to desktop, press T on keyboard to add a text, select it, font, maybe enter display, size 30, change the color to this color, 222, weight, medium, reduce the letter, then duplicate this by pressing Ctrl plus D, select it, paste this text, weight, regular, size 20, make it fill, same goes on here. Click this desktop, change the direction to vertical, set the width 575, height, fit content, add some padding 20, scroll down, radius 10, change the color to this color. Now click home, set the height, fit content, duplicate this card 4 more times, select all the cards, wrap them in a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter, name it cards. Maybe you can change the name to just card. Go to assets, click here, double click on it, rename it. Next, we need to add image here. So again, draw a frame like this, then drop it here. Name it images, width, fill. We'll change the height later. Now select both, wrap them in a stack, name it wrapper, direction, horizontal. As you can see, the height of this stack is 710, so we can simply make it 710. Just leave it like this. Next, let's update the content here, but we can't update this. As you can see, there is no option here. And if you want to update like this, double click on it, write some text, then go to home. As you can see, all the component text is changed because they are using the same component. We just duplicated this. So what we need to do is create variables for each element. Let me show you. Undo it. Then click here, this fill, create variables, color, name it background color. Then click this text, content, create variable, plain text, name it title, leave it like this. Click this size, create variables, name it title font size. Do the same here, click here, content, create variable, plain text, name it paragraph. Size, create variables, paragraph font size. Now go back to home, click here. As you can see, we can now update the text like anything, and any update will reflect right here. Done. Let's add some padding, overall 20. Let's work on here, right click on it, create component, name it images, rename it to 1. Inside this, add a frame, unpin it, width relative 100%, height relative 100%, align it center, scroll down, fill, images, and upload our first image, radius 20, click here, remove its fill color, also name it 1. Now duplicate this 4 more times, rename the layer. For these 4 images, create 4 more variants. Click here and click here to create a variant. Rename it to 2. Now click here, upload our second image. Click this second image and select the rest of them. Opacity 0. Go to second variant, click the first image, opacity 0. As for the second image, opacity 1. Do the same here, opacity 0. Click the third image, opacity 1. Go back to home. It's time to add the animation. For this, click this wrapper, the parent layer, add stack, name it container, set the height 5000 pixel, align it, start, click this desktop, and change the height to fit content. Also need to make the section sticky, so click this wrapper, change the position type to sticky. Next, add some empty frame which will act as a trigger. When this frame reaches the viewport, we will animate our cards. Let me show you, it will make more sense once you see it. Draw a frame, change the position to absolute, width maybe 310, align it center, set the top value 800, scroll down, scroll section, name it 1, also here name it 1. Now duplicate this 4 more times, name it 2, 3, 4, 5. Click the second frame, position 1600, scroll down, section 2, as for this 2400, name it 3, as for the 4, 3200, name it 4, finally for this 4000, name it 5. Next, click here, this card, effects, scroll transform, trigger, section in view, viewport, center, select the section 1, click this form, opacity 0, scale 1, set the X offset 600, add a transition, click on it, damping 100. Now copy this effect, select the rest of the cards and paste it. All we need to do is update the section to section 2, click this form and reduce the X offset by 100. So for this it's 500, click here, as for this it's 400, go back, section 3, as for this section 4, click the form 300, and finally for this 200, select the section 5. Now let's give it a preview to see if it's working or not. Yes, it's working, as you can see. We can simply remove the fill color, select all, fill, remove it. Now we will show the specific image assigned to each card. So let's work on it. Go to effects, scroll variant, trigger, section in view, viewport, middle, section 1, set the variant 1, add section 2, variant 2, add section again, section 3, variant 3, section 4, variant 4, finally add section 5, variant 5. Now let's see how it looks. This is our first card, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah, it looks perfect. All you need to do is just make the transition smoother, double click on it, transition is, increase the time to 0.8. Let's see. Yeah, it looks perfect. Finally, let's make it responsive. Click this plus, tablets, and then click here. We can reduce the font size here to 25 and 16 for the paragraph. Do the same here. Now click this image, set the height 670, and let's see how it looks. Our edges are getting cut off, so set the parents overflow to visible. Click these cards, select the parent layer, this, scroll down, overflow, make it visible. Now let's see, select the tablet. Yeah, it looks perfect. As for mobile, showing the image and card side by side isn't ideal due to limited space. Instead, place the image on top and card below. Click here, phone, click this container, distribute, start, then click this wrapper, deduction vertical, We will also remove the animation here. While it works well on desktop and tablet, on smaller screens, it can feel cramped and make the experience less clear. Expand it, select all these cards and remove its animation. Now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. Our section is sticky, we need to remove it. Also the image animation. Click this container, hide, fit content, and then click this wrapper, type, relative, click this image, remove it. Now let's see. Yeah, it looks perfect. And that's pretty much it. If you're still watching, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.